Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Proof that not everything can be an album cover.
Let us start. To do this trend, you need CapCut application. Now click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your 5 videos from your gallery. After adding the videos, click on Preview. Now first check your video and then click on Export, and then click on Export without watermark. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.